Hey chillers, it's your girl Woodpecker, and I'm here to announce a ChillAway. Yes, guys, you heard me right. I'm doing another ChillAway, and here's the product I'm giving away. Yay! I use that to do this, guys. You know it's highly pigmented. You know I love it, so I decided to give one to you. Here's all you have to do to get it. First, you must be following me on IG. Then you must be subscribed to this channel. Duh. I want you to watch 2 videos, just 2, in its entirety. Then I want you to comment below and like the video. In the comment section of those videos, you need to write your IG tag so I know who did what. You know. And then I want you to share it with your friends and family. Share the whole YouTube channel with your friends and family. Go on over to IG, you'll find the post announcing this giveaway and like that as well. It's that simple. Now, the giveaway starts today and it runs all the way till February 13th. You got more than a month. And then I will announce the winner on February 14th, Valentine's Day. Yes, but one lucky winner will win this. Yes. So go ahead, make your entries now, and good luck. Bye.